Once again for the Law and You, featuring attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. While these guys get ready to answer the question, I'll be getting refreshed here, guys. Good to see you today.
I like the mug.
Do you like that? Yeah, I figured I'd get a fresh sip of water here as I do all the hard work asking the question, but we'll have you guys do the rest of the work in a moment. Time to get to it here. This one is from Cindy in Hazleton. Says, my husband works for a temp agency and was severely injured at the job they sent him to. The temp agency is telling us we cannot sue the company where the incident happened. Are they telling us the truth? So can they do nothing against the company that they were doing the work for? Well,
Cindy, the answer is maybe. You may have the ability to sue the company where your husband was working. This is a very, very, very technical area of the law. We actually just finished a case, involving a similar situation. But you also want to look at, the product that injured your husband, because there may be a potential product liability case there as well. So there are a number of different avenues that you can potentially look at in order to get look at a recovery for your husband. But generally speaking, are they telling the truth? No, there are some things that you can do in this situation.
And the good news is, there is at least a workers' compensation case that you can start against the temp agency because they're technically your employer. So you have to give notice. You have to make sure you treat with the doctors as prescribed by the employer, and make sure, if they pick up the claim, then you'll be entitled to medical benefits and your lost wages, 66 2/3 of your wages. You'll be able to get those during the course of, if there's a potential litigation, but at least you'll be able to collect some benefits, and that would be via a workers' compensation case.
All right, if you find yourself injured on the job and you need legal help, how can our viewers reach you guys?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And especially in these situations, if you think there's a potential product liability case, you have got to preserve the evidence immediately. And if you don't, then it could come back to bite you in the, in the rear end, because you might not be able to pursue a case. So pick up the phone and call somebody, to help you out with this.
You guys need a drink of water after that performance.
Oh, absolutely.
Nice job for our attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks. We'll see you next time.
You nailed it today, huh?
You guys are the best. PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your ways to get your question featured on The Law and You.